Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use match function in your Google Sheet. So I have column A, column B. I just want to check the column B fruits have in column A, or if it has in column A, then I want to find out like what is the position of that particular fruit. So I'm going to write the formula equals to match, select the match from drop down, and then select the fruit, which is apple, and then I'm going to select the entire range, close the parenthesis. So I'm going to match exact. I'm trying to match exact the same thing. So I'll add 0 and hit enter. So as you can see, the apple position is number 1 in column A. Let's do it for second fruit. I'm going to just drag the formula and we'll wait, and then it will show you the exact position. So as you can see, orange is in 5th position in column A. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So why this is happening is because we did not fix the numbers. So let's fix the numbers. So we'll try to find out in this range. So I'm going to fix all these range. Hit enter. Now again I'm going to drag this form. Now you can see because earlier I did not fix the range. Now I fix the range. As you can see, the orange, if you count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the position of orange in column A is 6, then banana second position. So this is how you can use match function, and you can get a position of that particular uh, cell reference in different column. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.